Service in Tallahassee has issued a tornado warning for Southeastern Walton County in the Panhandle of Florida, Southwestern Washington County in the Panhandle of Florida, until 11:30 a.m. At 10:52 a.m., the developing tornado has been detected by the National Weather Service near Ebro, moving north at 10 miles per hour. The tornado will impact areas just west of Ebro and Redneck. Take cover now. Leave mobile homes and vehicles for safer structures. Move to a hallway or closet on the lowest floor away from windows and outside walls.